Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to Helix. So as example, you can create new design and I will create sketch mode and I will choose this Z-plane. Okay, as for the center helix, I will use the construction line like this. And another I will create for the profile. With the circle tools, I will click start from this point into here. Now you can end sketch editing. If you want to set helix in this profile, you can use the pull tools and then choose this revolve option. You can click and then select these construction lines as the center line, and you can see we have this default revolve. To change into helix, you can check in revolve option, revolve helix, like this. Now you can see this is for the default option for the height, pitch, and taper angle. If you want to helix, you can click at this profile, hold, and then you can move to create helix from the profile. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial. How to helix. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.